Hello there, Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop here, and today we are going to tie a really simple fly which is called Dagbjört. But Dagbjört is made by my mentor in fly fishing and designed by him. It's a really simple fly, and as you see, the body of the fly, you have to start to, of course, attach the thread to the hook shank, but doing that, the body of the fly is already done. It's only a black thread, that's all of it. And this fly, I can tell you guys, it's a really effective fly when it comes to surface taking. We'll take a like a dark gray or light gray duck feather to make the wing, attach it to the head of the fly like this, and trim off the wing and leave it like this, short. I tried both ways. It's more effective with the short wing, much more effective. Then we'll just do the finishing job left and place on it 2 knots just to secure it, and I prefer to keep the fly as light dressed as possible because it's meant to do surface fishing. It's really good when the Arctic char is feeding on the surface. And we'll just coat it with varnish before I carry on my story, but it's really effective when it comes to surface fishing for Arctic char. If it's eating in the surface, try this fly in the size of 12, 14 or 16 and give it a try. You have to strip the fly like fast but short, so it's like tickling over the fish, and I can almost guarantee that you are going to have some reactions. So the fly is ready here, Dagbjört by my mentor Jón Sigurðsson. Thanks for watching, and you can follow the channel, and I will see you next time in the next video. Thank you.